This Mediterranean-style Barramundi Poké bowl is my take on this trendy Hawaiian dish. It's fun, delicious, and super fast to make. I'm using Australis Barramundi, a clean-flavored, sustainably farmed fish that's got great texture and holds up to curing and marinades. You can find it in the frozen seafood section of many fine grocery stores. Start with barramundi fillets, pat them dry, and small dice. Meanwhile, small dice plum tomatoes without their seeds, scallions, and red onions. Some other vegetable options that you can add are zucchini, yellow squash, or radishes. Meanwhile, mix together soy sauce and balsamic vinegar to make the marinade. Toss the marinade with the fish and let sit for a minimum of 20 minutes, but not longer than 4 hours. Lightly toast some pine nuts and let cool. Chop some basil leaves and have some fresh pomegranate seeds ready. Gently fold the contents together until it's well mixed. You can serve the poké in a bowl or have some fun with it. I used a large cabbage leaf. Place the vegetable leaf as the base of a shareable platter. Add the poké. Finally, drizzle some fruity olive oil on top and around the dish. You can serve it alongside some lightly toasted pita chips. If you have any leftovers, they can be saved in the refrigerator for another day.